What's up, everybody? Welcome to another amazing episode at 100 Proof Emma. Today, I'm gonna be making a delicious bubblegum mojito, a little bit dangerous whenever you're using pink food dye like I am, but I have a very special guest. Her name is Taja V. Simpson. Please give a round of applause to Miss Simpson herself.
Hey guys, what's up?
I had met Taja maybe 14, 15 years ago.
A long time.
A long time.
Yeah.
We were both brand ambassadors and she was my manager for Absolute Vodka, and we just kind of fell in love with alcohol and
each other.
Absolutely. And we learned a lot about it together, and she's a big inspiration of mine. I'm so honored that you wanted to be here with me.
Absolutely.
Is this the moment you've always dreamed about?
Absolutely. I thought about this moment ever since you started doing 100 Proof Emma, and then it really evolved for me when you got the apron with the logo on it. I was like, no, that's the show I want to be a part of.
I love this girl. Okay, well, I hope you like the mojito,
yes.
And let's give it a shot.
Let's do it.
Awesome. We are going to be using Largo Caribbean Blanco rum, which is clear, is a neutral type rum. It's not a spiced rum. Similar to a vodka, you can just blend it and make cocktails with it. It's not something you typically would want to drink by itself. I am using some bubblegum simple syrup. Now, I've been infusing this for 3 days in a row, just anticipating Taja's arrival. I've been so excited. I also have some organic mint, some limes, some pink sugar that I'm gonna be using on the rim, and of course, some Hubba Bubba bubblegum. As you can tell, some pink food coloring. Okay, so Taja used to like rum a lot back in the day when I first met her, so you have the great honor to pour the rum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. World peace.
World peace. All right, let's do this thing, baby.
Let's do it.
Last bit. Ooh.
I'm not as great as you.
And scene. Woo!
Nice.
I did it. Okay, I feel great.
Okay, so we don't make a big mess. I'm gonna pour the bubblegum mint simple syrup into the measure.
Good idea.
Still making a mess. Still making a mess. Okay, Taja, time for that mint. Wow!
We're having way too much fun. I love it.
Way too much. To be honest, this color is a little murky, so I went ahead and got the liberty of buying us some pink coloring dye.
Okay. And that's what's all over your hands.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes, it is.
We'll make it pretty.
Thank you. And this is the difference that pink food coloring can do. Taja,
Yes.
will you do the honor of shaking the bubblegum mint mojito?
Yes!
For a pink sugar rim, you're just gonna use a citrus of any sort and right around the rim.
So pretty.
There you go. Beautiful.
I like it a lot.
Me too.
Ooh. Wow.
And our bubblegum.
I love it.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's try your bubblegum mojito.
Oh my God.
Cheers. Cheers.
Let's see.
Wow. Okay.
That's so good.
That's like literally drinking bubble gum.
It's drinking bubble gum and it's refreshing and it's awesome.
I just want to chew gum.
Yes. Right. Okay, you're gonna love this. It has a great bubble gum flavor.
Feels like I'm chewing gum without
the chew.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna probably drink this way too fast.
I think so. What would you give it on a scale from 1 to 10?
I give it a 10. I give it a 10.
She gave me a 10. She gave me a 10. She gave me a 10.
It's a 10.
It's a 10. It's a 10. It's a 10. It's a 10. I love it. I love it.
Sorry, I have to stop drinking.
No.
Okay, cheers.
And cheers to you, whether virtually or in person, to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's keep drinking.